And see, yeah, painting on Wednesday. Yep, painting these guys on Wednesday. For sure, for sure. Yeah. And maybe one of these guys, we'll see. But, oh no, forget about those, sir. I've got these guys to do. That's Cadet Red Shirts. And then I've got Cavos to paint as well. So I'll get those done Wednesday. And see, I know the purple. No way, the purple is a shaded finish coat. Mecha question time. I don't mind. Hello and welcome to Mecha question time. No, I don't mind. No, it's the purple is a finished color sort of thing. The Ritz tea. Why? Whenever I log on these days to see a monkey, I've no idea what you're talking about. No idea. Don't know what you're talking about. No idea. Monkey. I trim my beard, is that it? I trim my beard. Maybe that's what it is. I trim my beard. That's really gonna pop when I get the teeth painted in. Monkey. I don't know what you're talking about. Good evening, the Ritz tea. Yes, good evening. Cheers.